How to install ChatGPT on Macbook. You can use ChatGPT on your MacBook in several ways, but in order to download it, you can use the official way. First of all you have to do is open the App Store from your desktop in MacBook. Now, there in search address bar, type down ChatGPT and hit enter. Now all you have to do is tap on the ChatGPT option available there and tap on the Get option available there. Then again tap on the Install, and if they ask for the Apple ID password, then enter it. Now all you have to do is wait for a few minutes for this ChatGPT to be downloaded on your device. And once downloaded, you will get to see open option available right next to it. Tap on the open and open the ChatGPT on your device. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.